Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the Obvira teething roller to see if it's actually a lifesaver or just another gadget taking up space in the nursery. We all know teething is one of the most stressful stages for both babies and parents, mostly because babies feel like their mouths are on fire and parents feel like they've forgotten what sleep is. The Obvira roller claims to ease that gum pain quickly and naturally. It's essentially a tiny handheld device with a soft silicone head, looking suspiciously like those facial rollers influencers use to pretend they don't have pores, but this one is actually for oral health. You can use it at room temperature or toss it in the fridge for a chilled effect, because apparently, even infants deserve a high-end spa experience. The goal is to reduce swelling and increase blood flow, which is certainly a more civilized approach than letting them gnaw on the corner of your coffee table. One of the main perks here is the convenience. You simply massage the baby's gums for a few minutes, and, ideally, they stop screaming. Many parents find it quite calming, and since it's reusable and easy to clean, it's far more hygienic than those teething toys that spend half their lives on the floor collecting dog hair and mystery dust. The materials are food-grade silicone and BPA-free plastic, making it perfectly safe for your little one to drool all over. It's also incredibly lightweight, so if your baby decides to practice their throwing arm and hurls it at your face, it probably won't leave a mark. However, keep in mind that this might not be a hit with every child. Some babies might actually hate the rolling sensation, especially if their gums are already extra sensitive. It's also important to note that this isn't a set-it-and-forget-it toy. It requires you to be actively involved, which is a real tragedy for any parent hoping for a 5-minute break. As for the price, it's not exactly the cheapest teething aid on the shelf, but for many, the peace of mind and the potential for a few minutes of silence make it worth the investment. Overall, the Obvira teething roller is a simple, effective tool for managing the nightmare that is teething. While it might not work for every single baby, it's a solid addition to the survival kit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.